Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn animals. Which animal has a long tail? Which animal has a long tail? Squirrel. Which animal likes to eat banana? Which animal likes to eat banana? Monkey. Which is the fastest animal? Which is the fastest animal? Horse. Which animal likes to swim? Which animal likes to swim? Swan. Which animal have a trunk? Which animal have a trunk? Elephant. Here, which animal is a pet? Which animal is a pet? Dog. Which animal drinks milk? Which animal drinks milk? Cat. Which animal likes to play in mud? Which animal likes to play in mud? Pig. Which animal live in a den? Which animal live in a den? Fox. Which animal helps to carry luggage? Which animal helps to carry luggage? Donkey. Which animal has big curved horns? Which animal has big curved horns? Bull. Which animal lives in jungle? Here, which animal lives in jungle? Fox, wolf, tiger. All three animals are live in jungle. Thanks for watching kids. Bye.